In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your browsing history on Chrome. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really means a lot to the channel. Now, once you open up your Chrome app, you're going to select the three dots that you see right here at the bottom right. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to have the option to delete your browsing data. Now here you can pick a time range. So it can be for the last 24 hours, for the last 7 days, 4 weeks, or you can also delete all your data. So that would be all time. And then right here under browsing data, it's going to show you how many sites it's going to be deleting. In my case, it's going to be 5 sites. And that's it. Once you pick both items, the only thing you have to do is select delete data. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching.